Al-Basbousa with precise measurements. Let me tell you the right way to make al-Basbousa, just like the ones in the shops. Ingredients: 2 cups of semolina flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut, 1 cup of ghee, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey or molasses, 1 cup of milk or yogurt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder syrup, 1 and 2 cups of sugar, 1 and 2 cups of water, lemon juice. Optional, 1 teaspoon of rose water. Boil for 10 minutes or a quarter of an hour, and before turning off the heat, add a teaspoon of vanilla. Output. Method. In a pot on the stove, add the milk, sugar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Once the sugar dissolves, turn off the heat. Transfer the mixture to a dish and add the semolina, coconut, and ghee. Mix well. Grease a 30 centimeters baking dish with tahini or ghee and pour the basbousa mixture into it. Once the edges turn golden, open the grill. After it browns slightly, pour the hot syrup over it. Note: the basbousa should be hot and the syrup should be hot and light. Enjoy and bon appetit!